Best Magnetic Dry Erase Calendar Board Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular calendar boards in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this magnetic board so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of some of the features of this calendar board. The one that made our list is the Stylio Dry Erase Calendar Whiteboard. This set comes with a monthly, weekly, and to-do list boards, which are all magnetic and can be put up on your refrigerator. Of these, two of them are large, measuring 13 by 18 inches, and the to-do list is smaller, measuring 5 by 10 inches. This high-grade dry erase surface wipes easily and leaves no stains for quick reuse. You can use it as a whiteboard calendar for your fridge or your desk, and the set includes 4 markers and an eraser. To check out the full specs of the Stylio Dry Erase Calendar Whiteboard and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/drycalendar. Here's a quick video showing the features of this whiteboard. So there you have it, the Stylio Dry Erase Calendar Whiteboard. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the set, and its overall functionality, we feel that this whiteboard is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Stylio Dry Erase Calendar Whiteboard and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/drycalendar. Alright, thank you for watching.